Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see the solution of question number 2 of exercise 1.3 for class 6th. Question number 2 is give a rough estimate. So how can we get rough estimate? So given in the bracket by rounding off to nearest thousand. If in the bracket we don't have anything, on that time we will take rough estimation after doing the estimation according to general rule. And also a closure estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. Okay. So one time we have to do the estimation according to the 100 place, and next time we have to do the estimation according to the tens place. So we have four questions in the question number 2. Its first one is 439 plus 334 plus 4370. So we have to do the solution 2 times. One time we have to estimate according to the 100 place, and next time we will do the estimation according to the tens place. So what is given in the question? In the question we have 439 plus 334 plus 4370. Simply we can see 439 is coming in between 400 and 500. This 334 is coming in between 300 and 400. And we have to estimate only 100 place, that's why 1 stands 100. Okay, we will not include 4 in the part in the estimation. So 317 is coming in between 300 and 400. So for the first one, we have to take only 39 steps to reach 439 from 400, and from 500 we have to take total how many steps? Total 61 steps we have to take from 500. So where we got the less steps? We got less step from 400, so we will choose 400. As it is, from 300 we have to take 34 steps to reach 334. But from 400 we have to take 66 steps to reach 334. So where we got the less steps? We got less steps from 300. Now the last one, 317. To reach 317 we have to take 17 steps from 300 and 83 steps from 400. So where we got the less steps? We got less steps from 300. Okay. So on the place of 439 we will write 400. On the place of 334 we will write 300. And on the place of 317 we will write 300. But one value that we left which will comes as it is. Okay. And after adding them we will got, what we will got? 4 plus 3 is 700. 700 plus 4300 is 5000. So that is the answer when we estimated according to the nearest 100. One more time we have to do according to the tens place. So given we have 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Okay. Simply ones tens place we have to estimate. Okay. Ones tens. It means that in the first one 4 will comes as it is. In the second one 3 will comes as it is. In the last one 3 will comes as it is. Okay. Now simply 39 is coming in between 30 and 40. You can simply see 40 is nearest to 39. Same for the 34 is coming in between 30 and 40. Here 30 is nearest to 34 because we have to take only 4 steps to reach 34 from 30. And 17 is coming in between 10 and 20. So 17 will estimate to the 20 because 20 is nearest to 17. Okay. So on the place of 39 we will write 40. On the place of 34 we will write 30. And on the place of 17 we will write 20. Okay. Now we will add them. Okay. Simply 4320, 330 and 440 will add to each other. Okay. 0 as it is. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10. And 4 plus 1 is 5. So answer after estimating according to the tens place 5090, which is the answer. So these two methods we have to follow in the remaining questions that you can see. B part is 1,08,734 minus 47,599. We have to estimate firstly according to the 100 place, and after that we have to estimate according to the tens place. After that we will do the subtraction. Okay. So as you can see, the 100 place is ones, tens, 100. Only this much will estimate. In the first one, ones, tens, 100. So here also only 100 place will estimate. Okay. So it means that the remaining part which is not estimating, it will comes as it is. So 1,08,000 is coming as it is. Its remaining part we will write after estimating. And here 47 we will write as it is. Its remaining part we will write after estimation. So 734 is coming in between 700 and 800. And 599 is coming in between 500 and 600. So as you can see, from 700 we have to take 34 steps to reach 734. And from 800 we have to take 66 steps to reach 734. So whom we will choose? Yes, we will choose 700 because it will get 734 fast as compared to 800. Here from 500 we have to take 99 steps to reach 599. But from 600 we have to take only one step. So whom we will choose? We will choose 600. Simply on the place of 734 we will write 700, and here from the on the place of 599 we will write simply 600. Okay. Simply we will do the subtraction. 700 minus 600 is 100. Okay. And 8 minus 7 is 1. 10 minus 4 is 6. So 61,100 is the answer after estimating according to the nearest 100 place. Now we have to do the estimation according to the tens place. So we will write the number which is 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Okay. So you can simply see according to the tens place we have ones, tens. It means only these two number will estimate. And here 9, 9, ones, tens. Only these two number will estimate. Okay. It means that the remaining part, the previous part will comes as it is. Okay. So 34 is coming in between 30 and 40. You can simply see 30 is the nearest one to the 34. So on the place of 34 we will write 30. But 99 is coming in between 90 and 100. So whom we will choose? We will choose 100. We will choose 100. So on the place of 99 we will write 0, 0. But whom we will choose? We choose 100, so we will write 00, and this 1 of the 100 place will add into 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6 because both are containing 100. Okay, its place value is also 100. Its place value is also 100. So 100 place will add with 100 place and gives us 600. And 4 7 will comes as it is. Here 1,08,700, or on the place of 34 we will write 30. Okay. Now simply we will subtract them. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 7 minus 6, 1. Okay. Then 8 minus 7, 1. 10 minus 4 is 6. So estimation according to the tens place will gives us 61,130. Okay. I hope you understood this. Its remaining two part is, C part is 8,325 minus 491. That we have to do the subtraction after rounding off to the nearest 100 and after rounding off to the nearest tens. So for the 100 we will find out the 100th place. So ones, tens, 100. So these three numbers. Okay. And here ones, tens, 100. So all over will estimate. Okay. So we have 325 which is coming in between 300 and 400 according to the 100th place. And 491 is coming in between 400 and 500. Simply you can see from 300 we have to take 25 steps. And from 400 we have to take 75 steps to reach 325. In the second one we have to take 91 steps to reach 491 from 400, as compared to we have to take only 9 steps to reach 491 from 500. So where we got the less step? In the first one we got less steps in 300, and in the second one we got less steps in 500. So we will choose in the first one 300 and for the second one we will choose 500. Simply 8,300. On the place of 325 we will write 300 minus on the place of 491 we will write 500. After subtraction what we will got? We will got 7,800 after estimating nearest to 100. Okay. Now its second part is we have to estimate nearest to tens. So we will choose the tens place which is ones, tens, ones, tens. So only this much we will estimate. Okay. So we know 25 is coming in between 20 and 30. So for getting 25 from 20 and 30 we have to take 5 steps from both. Okay. So when we are getting the equal steps from both number, on that time always we are choosing the greater one. Greater one is 30, so we will choose 30. In the second one we have 91 and 91 is coming in between 90 and 100. So it is nearest. 91 is nearest to 91 because we have to take only 1 steps from 90. And from 100 we have to take 9 steps. So whom we will choose? We will choose 90. Okay. So on the place of 25 we will write 30 and 83 as it is. Minus. On the place of 91 we will write 90 and this 4 will comes as it is. Now simply we will do the subtraction. Okay. 0 minus 0, 0. So 3 can't subtract 9. So it will take borrow from the nearest one. So 13 minus 9 is what? 4. And 82 minus 4 is 78. So here we have the answer 7840 after estimating according to the tens place. The last question is 4,89,348 minus 48,365. Same one time we have to do the estimation to the nearest 100 and next time to the nearest tens. So firstly we will identify the 100 place, which is ones, tens, 100. So only this much we have to estimate, and here ones, tens, 100, it means this much we have to estimate. Okay, and in the tens section we have to take only tens number, which is ones, tens, only 48 and here 65. Okay, now we will complete first one. 348 is coming in between 300 and 400. So from 300 we have to take 48 steps, and from 400 we have to take 52 steps to reach 348. So where we got the less steps? We got less steps from 300. As here 365 is coming in between 300 and 400. From 300 we have to take 65 steps, and from 400 we have to take 35 steps to reach 365. Where we got the less steps? We got less steps from 400, so we will choose 400. Okay, so on the place of circle we will write here 300, and the previous number, which is 489, that will comes as it is as 4,89,300, and here on the place of 365 we will write 400, and 48 will comes as it is. Now after subtraction, 00 minus 00 is 00. 3 can't subtract 4, so it will take borrow from nearby. So 13 minus 4 is 9. Okay, 13 minus 4 is 9. 8 minus 8, 0. And 48 minus 4 is 4. So answer is 48 minus 4 is 44. So the answer is 4,40,900 after estimating to the 100 place. The last one, for the tens place, we know 48 is coming in between 40 and 50. So 48 is nearest to 50, and 65 is coming in between 60 and 70. We have to take equal places, equal steps to reach 65 from 60 to 70, which is 5. So whom we will choose? We will choose always greater one. That's why we are choosing here 70. So on the place of circle we will write 50 and other elements which will comes as it is. Okay, minus here 48370. Okay, after subtraction what we will got? After subtraction we will got 4,40,980. So here we completed the second question of exercise 1.3 of class 6th. Its last question we will see in the next video. I hope you understood the second question. If you like the video, please press on the like button.